Hi, this is Arjun Jayaraman. Welcome to my YouTube channel, uh, Multibagger Stock Series number 6. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. I'm not a SEBI registered advisor, nor this financial advice to buy or sell stocks. Please do all your investments after consulting your financial advisor. I usually cover only F&O stocks because all the market-wide limits, the fundamentals are all managed well by SEBI. But a lot of my friends have asked for some investments in cash market. So today we will cover about 5 such stocks which are not traded in F&O but only in the cash market. Um, the first stock we'll cover is Bombay Dyeing. The monthly chart very clearly shows breakout above the 10-year highs. And in the last 20 years, many a times it has always found resistance at this 100 level. So now in the daily chart, we see a very clear breakout, and then it also tried to fall below the trend line, and it successfully found support there, and again it has started rallying above that. So once it moves into the next zone, the next resistance is only at 122 and 141 levels, and the last resistance is at 168 levels. So considering this and all the volumes that we see and a clear breakout in the monthly and daily charts, the stock has potential to rally up by 20 to 40% in the next few monthly candles. So each of this candle that you see is one calendar month. So you can expect in the next 2 to 3 months or 4 months a good 20 to 40%. So stop loss can be maintained at 5% or at around 96 rupees, which gives a 1 is to 4 or a 1 is to 8 return on the investment. Please consult your financial advisor before making any investments. The second stock we look at is D-Link India. So again, we see a fantastic triangle pattern aided with very good volumes in the last 2 months. Actually, it's a bit late, but it is not too late to enter the stock. One can consider buying it on any correction at 150-55 levels. Stock is currently trading at 163, and one can keep a stop loss at 136. This stock is almost debt free, and it has potential to go up to 230 or even 300 levels considering the triangle pattern. The third stock we'll cover is GIC Housing Finance at 185 rupees. We see a full rundown in the last 4 years, which has corrected the entire rally from 600 plus to a very low of nearly 50 rupees. Now we are seeing the stock trying to break above its 200-month moving average, and the 20 period monthly average is also trying to cut the long-term 200 moving average from underneath, which will make the stock a complete turnaround stock. We also see large volumes in the last 2 months, and the stock is trying to trade above the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement. So one can expect a good pullback to 38.2 or 50 or even 62% retracement for such a stock. So which puts us at 272 and 339 as the target, which is a fantastic return on this investment. Please consider discussing with your financial consultant before making any investment decisions. The fourth stock we have is Hindustan Media. The stock is currently at 92. There has been a good rally with a good amount of volume seen in the buying. In the last 8 years, we have not seen this kind of volumes. So one can assume that the worst is over for the stock, and the stock is also trading above its 200-week moving average, and that is currently getting tested at 107 in the weekly charts. So upon a breakout, one can expect a very good rally, which is almost 100% on the upside from its current market price. The company has reduced debt and it is nearly a debt-free stock. The promoter holding continues to be at 75%. It is in the media business. So this is again a very good fundamental stock. And we can see the stock trading about its 20-month moving average as well. After a very good Bollinger Band squeeze, it is trying to move up in the current monthly chart. Please consult your your financial consultant before making any investment decisions. The last fifth stock is is a bank. Now there are a lot of bank mergers happening, NPAs, rising NPA, falling NPA, all of that stuff. Now this is purely a technical call, so you will have to definitely consult your financial advisor before investing in any of these banks. But what we see clearly is a huge number of volume buying. Not sure whether people are buying or selling here, but the channel seems to be a very clear squeeze breakout in the last 12-13 year chart, and for the first time it is trying to trade above the Bollinger Band, and one can consider adding this stock with a tight stop loss below 14. The stock is currently at 18, and we see a 200 to 400% return on the stock if technically there is a good squeeze breakout, which is a 23% or 38% Fibonacci retracement. So please discuss with your financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Happy investing. If you like such videos, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon for getting notified about any such videos. Now I will also be coming out with my next video immediately after this, which will have two breakout FNO stocks. One of the stocks already has crossed the market weight limit, so it is definitely a stock that will explode any moment. The next one is FNO stock, which is still trading at very reasonable levels. So I will cover that in my next video. Thank you.